friends, and welcome to another adventure with Mrs. Carnes and me. We are doing something we haven't done for 9 years. We are boarding a cruise ship, and this will be our first ever international cruise in Europe. I can hardly wait for this adventure to begin. In the taxi on the way to the harbor.
On the way to the cruise.
Here we go. Our ride to the ship terminal was about 10 minutes. We arrived with plenty of time to drop off our bags and be some of the first to go through security. We're at boarding gate A in boarding group 1. We've got our picture made. We've got our cabin card. Mr. Carnes is patiently waiting.
That's my excited face. So if I do this on the cruise, I'm excited.
You're a mess is what you are. Cheers. Welcome drink. Woohoo!
So, is there some vodka to go with this somewhere? Is there?
They took it in security, remember? It was in that eyeglass. It was in that eye cleaner bottle you brought.
Well, it's $9.50 and I've already had Prosecco. I want some vodka to go with my cranberry juice. I want vacation. Did I say that earlier?
To announce when I'm ready for boarding. Please can gold,
Here.
platinum, sapphire and diamond guests. Now please proceed to boarding gate A. Thank you.
Where are you going?
She said the first thing we have to do is to go to our assembly station. And
Okay.
then we're free to go do what we want.
Okay, perfect. And they have a Starbucks. Jewelry. Watches.
Suddenly I'm distracted.
Yeah. Suddenly he doesn't want to stop. He doesn't want to go to that muster station. After walking to the complete end of the ship, we finally found and checked into our muster station. We then decided to find some lunch.
Who has the first drink on the ship?
Smart one.
What is it?
Rum punch.
Rum punch.
That's what they had.
That's not the drink of the day or anything?
No, it's just what they had there. That's what he had.
So you told me, and I think you told the viewers, what are you going to do on this cruise?
I'm not telling you anything.
You're not what?
I did not make that statement online.
I think you did.
I did not.
She said she was going to drink every drink of the day on the cruise.
There isn't one ad. I don't think they do that. So I did it. I already completed that ad.
Cheers.
Cheers. So we're having ramen from the noodle bar. And then, what else was this?
It's like a little cut of sirloin prime rib.
Sirloin prime rib, yeah.
It's a beef stir fry, little vegetable stir fried, and it has some beef and chicken by it. So.
It's all that's open right now.
If the food is this good on the entire cruise,
Yeah, we're at the Surfside.
Surfside.
Yeah, it's like the kind of a buffet, little different stations with different things.
17.
Deck 17. It's what's open. So far, so good though.
I was getting hangry.
You were a little bit.
Actually, not hangry, just hungry. Would you eat dinner at 5:15?
Really? Yeah. What she got there?
A little ice cream and a little chocolate something. Bark.
And did you get the second drink of the cruise? And what is it? Oh, mouthful. Did you get the second drink of the cruise?
Yeah.
And what is it?
Gin and tonic.
Ah.
Don't you? So we're gonna apologize now. You're gonna hear that noise like 100 times on this cruise, I think. Still pulling their chairs in and out.
Maybe not. I'm not planning on eating a lot of meals up here.
You're not?
No, probably not.
Will you eat in your room?
No. But I want to try some of the other dining rooms and stuff when they're open, so. Anyway, this wasn't bad. Just really busy, and I think it's because it's the first day. I think it's really busy because it's the first day, don't you?
Food was good. It's not a big space.
No. And there's a lot of people in here.
We're sitting here biding the time till our room is ready. Watching the kids pulling their suitcases down the street. See, there's the noise again. And there it is. How many people do you think have French fries for dessert? I know one. Were they good? How good?
I just took them out of the fryer.
You stood back there and waited for those hot ones, didn't you?
I walked up and
I saw you. You were back there like 12 minutes waiting for the fresh fries.
No, I wasn't.
Hey, bon appetit.
You may eat. After our nice lunch, we decided to explore the ship until our room was ready. The NCL Prima was christened on August 27, 2022. She has 20 decks and can hold 4,000 passengers and 1,500 crew. When I think about cruising that we've done in the past, I think of good food, good drinks, and waking up somewhere different and new each day. The Prima, we would soon come to find out, has no shortage of good food or good drinks. Our luggage was being delivered to our room, but our backpacks were becoming heavy, so we needed a place to sit down for a bit. After our walk around the deck, we found ourselves at the local bar and grill. The World Cup was on here, so it made for the perfect stop. It was pretty crowded, but we somehow found a seat, ordered a drink and a snack, and before we knew it, the announcement that our room was ready came. When we first walked into our cabin, I was genuinely surprised. The cabin felt so bright, so open, and very spacious. It measured 355 square feet, but it felt much larger. The first thing that I noticed when I walked into the room was the incredible, unmissable mural on the wall behind the bed. I loved the subtle uplighting and the butterfly design. There was a big sofa complete with throw pillows. There is a desk on the other side of the room, and in the desk I found the first of many big drawers. This one in the desk I affectionately named my Bits and Bob drawer. This Bits and Bob's drawer was perfect for all the everyday things that I use, like my hairbrush, my hand mirror, my makeup, and other little items. This drawer was huge, and it was soft closed. And as the British say, it was very posh. There were plenty of shelves, drawers, baskets, and hanging space in our balcony cabin. The basket drawers in the wardrobe were very nice because you could see everything instantly. The closet space is split into 3 sections. There were loads of hanging space and good space for our shoes. The bed was a king and very comfy, and we slept really well during our cruise. When you go into the bathroom, again you notice how large it feels. In particular, how big the shower is, and there's a very cool shower sliding door. The sink and the area surrounding it was also a really good size, far larger than any other ship that we've ever been on.
On behalf of all of us working on the Norwegian Prima, it's my pleasure to welcome you all aboard. I hope that you have already had time to explore our ship a little, so at least you know where you live and where to eat. Of course, when it comes to where you live, there is of course only one option. Where to eat, there are several possibilities, but I'm sure you have already found a few. And we have 10 more days on board, so towards the end of the cruise, I'm sure you have been all over and are well familiarized with the Prima. It is a nice sail away from Southampton, so it's not a bad idea to spend your late afternoon or early evening close to windows or open decks if you're okay with the temperature outside. It takes approximately 2.5 hours to get out from the port to off sea.
Walking out over the ocean, but a piece of glass sold by the lowest bidder to the
Second
cruise
time
line.
we've walked out over
Don't mind us.
stuff
We don't
this
plummet
time.
to our death of the
You know that?
cold sea below. Oh
Like-
look, we're about to make it back. So there's this sculpture. Oh, it's an interactive sculpture. Why? Who is in this?
Surprise. It's me. Who else?
Oh, let me back up here.
It's Mrs. Carnes.
It's
not
Mrs.
me.
Carnes, not me.
Sculpture garden
Yeah.
on the ship. You want to get in that one? Okay. One way. You're messed up.
So, people that are watching, does this make Mrs. Carnes look even more angelic than she really is? Does it look like she has wings? If you think so, leave a comment below and tell us.
I think it does. The Norwegian Prima has a totally new and unique dining experience that we've been waiting to try. Located on Deck 8, the Indulge Food Hall. This area offers 11 different eating options where you can sample a variety of food or make your own preferred meal. This spacious, nicely laid out area consists of numerous restaurants that you can choose from. When ordering, you'll notice iPads on the counter. Grab one and start selecting your menu choices. You can even mix and match from different eateries. Everything is delivered right to your table.
That's the Latin Quarter. Noodles dinner. Texas Smokehouse. This is the
Seaside Rotisserie.
Tamara dinner. That's where we saw the guys making the naan. Got this?
You're going to order dessert, the food's coming here.
Indulge
Yeah.
dessert? Oh yeah, we're just looking at them.
Thank you, though. Appreciate that.
Non-alcoholic beverages. Oh, and drink of the day. Banana rumble. Watermelon twist sundae. Gonna have to start drinking. Oh, I won't get a cucumber cool. What is that? Cool Mond? I don't know what that was, but it. Oh, look at all of them that are sold out. Oh man. Oh, thank you. So this is the pineapple they had on the. What do you call it? The show we watched.
Show of the chefs from those cruises.
Yeah, from the Norwegian Cruise Lines. So it's pink pineapple with cinnamon and brown sugar, and they broil it. So we're gonna try it just because we saw them make it. I don't know.
Wow, it tastes like pineapple.
You're so goofy. This is the drink of the day. What's it called? You ordered it. Or
It's called the watermelon twist.
watermelon twist. So this is today's drink of the day. Watermelon twist.
So we ordered some Indian food. Mrs. Carnes saw them making this naan do the window. And so we ordered vindaloo, some rice, and a garlic naan with chutney and a couple of chutneys actually. So we're going to dig in and see how it is.
Yeah. There's the Fresno pepper naan, and then we have some barbecue. That's what I'm having, with extra pickles.
After a delicious dinner, we took in a show at Sid Norman's and then called it a night. Tomorrow is a sea day, so there will be plenty of time for more exploring. Please join us next week and you'll get to see what a day at sea can look like on the Norwegian Prima. We know that we are living the good life, and we hope that you are too. Thanks for watching. Cheers!